Karina Soto, and this is A Dating Story. We're in Chicago looking to hook up two adventurous singles. Monica is a highly motivated professional woman who doesn't like to be tied down to just one job. She's a model, actress, and a dancer who's producing her own cabaret show. She's looking for an adventurous man who shares her passion for life. Michael is an ex-fighter pilot who now flies for a commercial airline. He is an adrenaline junkie who likes to race cars and ride motorcycles. So he's looking for a woman with an equally strong sense of self.
My life is going so wonderfully well, and I've got everything in place. And the only thing that's missing in my life is somebody to share it with.
I have my career, I have my family, I have my friends, I have my toys, I'm a very, very happy person. But the journey in life is much better when you have someone that you really care about to share it with.